welcome to Shreni Wonders. See this huge giant flower, see how beautiful it is, and you can make it different colors. It will be so good, right? See, it's so easy to make with different colors. You can use it as a wall hanging. It's so decorative. I'll tell how to make this. So first I'm taking cardboard and I'm drawing a circle. So we need to cut that circle. And it will be easy with sticky notes because they'll stick and they have here sticky page, and without glue it will be so easy to do. And see how to do. Normally you can use color papers also, and you could stick with glue, but this will be easy. So I'm telling, see here stick will be, it will be easy for doing. సో ఈ పింక్ కలర్ ఇలా సర్కిల్ గా అంటించేసుకోవాలి. Yellow we have sticked up like this. Now we'll stick blue on it. Okay. You need to press hard so that it stays in place. Beautiful it is, and the side looks are stunning. Let's make it more beautiful by putting still. Here is the green on try sticking the red one. So beautiful, right? Let's keep the red one now. You can do this with different colors and it will come so beautifully. You can add as many as you want. So beautiful. Like a big flower, you can say. Stick the flower to the wall, and it's so beautiful, right? It's so easy to make. It will make your wall colorful with different colors. It's beautiful, right? So thank you everyone. Bye.